Hey everyone, it's Miss Guy, and we are now in session 10. Just to get you a little excited, we are on the other side of the hill for the semester. So we have 16 sessions in our semester, and we have arrived at session 10. So we are on the down slope. Hang in there. Spring break is coming, and the end of the semester will be here before you know it. Okay, jumping right into session 10. Session 10's title is Sex and Gender, and you will take a deep dive into the difference between sex and gender and into how the world, all societies, treat genders differently. So I want to first explain, even though your book does a very good job, the difference between sex and gender. So sex is biological. That is some sort of characteristic that distinguishes males and females. That consists of primary and secondary sexual characteristics. And that is something that biology decides for us. So the chromosomes, the XX or the XY, and how they impact a person's body. That is the summary of the term sex. Gender, on the other hand, that is more behavior-based, attitude-minded, and it is formed based upon the society in which the person is growing up in. So your current society determines what is masculine or what is feminine or what is expected of males and females, and that is gender in and of itself. Anything to do with behaviors and attitude is gender. The two terms are used interchangeably a lot, but they are actually not interchangeable terms. They are two distinct, different terms, and that is something that is interesting to some people as they pursue this topic. All right, so for session 10, you're going to complete the quizzes in chapter 11. That's 11.1 through 11.7, and when you get to the end, you'll take the chapter 11 quiz. Once you have completed the textbook reading and quizzes, you're going to jump to the Treating Genders Differently journal. And this week, we are going to watch Crash Course in Sociology 32, which speaks to sex and gender. I am going to show you again. You are experts. You probably don't need me to show you, but I'll show you. We're going to copy all the information in between the dotted lines. Click Start or Edit My Journal entry. Paste in the entry box. And after we watch our crash course video, we are going to answer the 3 questions posed. Please keep in mind, and I will highlight for you right here on the screen, you must answer in complete sentences and paragraph form. This needs to be a college level paragraph, so your response to each of the 3 questions is a college level paragraph each. So when I am looking at your full credit response, I should see 3 distinct paragraphs, college level writing in complete sentences with correct grammar, and I should see a thorough explanation of the reflection question. When you are finished writing those responses, you will click the blue Save Changes button, and that will submit your journal entry for me to grade. Once you have done that, you have finished the sex and gender session for the week. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns as you are completing your work this week.